Hey, what's up, broskies? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications. All right, broskies, if you guys recall, the week before we went to Mexico, we picked up an action clutch for the 350Z, and it's time to get that thing installed. Right now I'm heading out to JP's house, and he's gonna help me out install the clutch. We're gonna be doing it in his garage. Hopefully we can get it done today. I'm really excited to get this clutch in because, let's see, next Wednesday we're gonna be going to Balcony to drift. So I really want to get some test runs in, and then we're gonna have a surprise guest with us, so you guys don't want to miss this. All right, broskies, we're here at JP's pad. Check out my Z. I missed you, bro. I missed you, my Z. I'm gonna get it unloaded, and then we'll put it in his garage. But check it out. Got the clutch, got my tools, got my little radio. Guys, we fucking ready to get this fucking clutch installed. It's fucking hot. If you guys live in Southern California, stay inside, stay cool, broskies. Drink a lot of water because it's fucking brutal out here. Alright, broski, so we have the car on jack stands. Check it out. We started taking off all the brackets. The drive shaft is off. Those braces, that other little small brace, that other little small brace. All I gotta do, all what's left to do to pull out the tranny is to get the top bolts from the transmission, and then pretty much we can bring it down and then start changing the clutch. But it's fucking hot. Whew. And I can't get to the fucking top bolts because the engine's still a little bit hot, so I'm burning my hands.
Like you can.
No, I'm not saying I can't, you know, I'm just saying it's kind of hot, you know.
Oh, yeah, dude.
And then I'm burning my hands and shit, but we'll get them out right now. Just give me like 10 minutes. And then the shifter is out. What?
The clutch?
What about it?
That's pretty good stuff.
It still feels good, but once it like heats up, like it just, like the pedal stays on the floor.
Oh shit.
Maybe because of the stock
Brake fluid.
Huh?
Brake fluid?
No, because of the slave, fool.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, these suck, fool.
What's your upgraded?
I have an upgrade already.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, it's an upgraded slave. So no more issues. So yeah, let's get it, boys. The transmission is out, And check out the slave. This thing's fucking worn out to the max. You guys see it? And then looks like we have a stock clutch. Check out my cats. Check out that big ass hole right there. Puros yonkis. So I'm gonna fucking order some test pipes, and then we'll get that shit fixed too. So yeah, I think this is it for today. JP's gotta go with his grandma. I think he's gonna go get some dinner, but we'll continue this tomorrow. I'm really excited to get this shit going. I also noticed that my offset rack spacer is fucked. That one right there, let's see if you guys see it. That one right there, that one's fucked. So I'm just gonna order a new pair just in case, and then have an extra one. But yeah, broskies, other than that, I think we're ready. Other than that, the car should be good. So we will continue this video tomorrow. Alright broskies, it's the next day. I'm back at JP's pad. What's up, fool? Check out what I got. So I got this in the mail. I got this from phase 2. And then my favorite right here, I got this sick ass oil cooler, Mishimoto. I got it from my boy Herbie. What's up, fool?
What's up?
Check out all the shit I got.
Oh, you brought my oil cooler, fool.
My oil cooler. Fool, yeah. You don't even have a car, fool.
Soon. Soon.
This fool don't even have a drift car.
What are you talking about? Aren't we sharing the seat?
I'll let you drive my car, fool.
Alright.
Fool, you're sweating. What the fuck?
Oh yeah, because I was working on your car.
You were working on my car? No, you weren't, fool.
Shit.
Check it out. I got the oil cooler. Ah, motherfucker.
That's what you get.
Here.
Oh no, I'm not holding that shit.
Hold it. I got that, and then I think these are the test pipes. And then I got the offset rack spacers, the ones you broke.
The ones that you broke.
Got the oil filter.
You run the same as the S chassis?
Huh?
You run the same as the S chassis?
I don't know, fool. I don't think they're gonna fit though.
Why?
Cause they're S chassis. But we'll see. We'll see though. We'll see. We'll figure it out. And then I got some Loctite, and then transmission oil and motor oil. I think I'm gonna be missing like 2 quarts, so we'll see right now though. And then, since it's fucking hot as fuck, got some water, nice and cold. All right, check it out, broskies. This clutch look pretty good. Here's the new flywheel. And then we're gonna put the new clutch in right now. Check out how beautiful that is. So it looks beautiful, bro. Beautiful. And then here are my new, well, they're used, but they're my new test pipes. Check them out. So I'm gonna install these right now after I'm done with the clutch. Let me get the alignment tool. It's a pain in the butt doing a clutch on the floor, but me la va a pelar. We got this shit. Oh, and my light is giving out. Yeah. Alright, broskies, check it out. New clutch is in. That looks beautiful. JP, that shit looks beautiful.
Oh yeah?
What the fuck you doing over there?
Trying to tighten my sway bar.
Hurry up. Fucking guy. Yeah, time to put the test pipes, and then we'll mount the transmission on. Alright, broskies, quick update. We're taking too long on this fucking car. JP already installed the oil cooler. Check it out. Fresh. Fool. Why are you sweating, fool?
fucking hot.
And then I'm just finishing up the test pipes. I just gotta tighten them up right now, and then we'll start mounting the transmission. And that's it. That's pretty much it.
So easy.
I know, fool. Just little shit, fool. We're taking too long because there were some bolts on the test pipes that were seized up, and I ended up just fucking breaking them off. So then we went to Home Depot, get new bolts, and then this is where we're at. Oh, and we had some fucking Subway because Mr. Guy right here is on a fucking keto diet. We can't. I wanted some pizza, but fuck it.
I gotta lose weight, man.
Fool, I gotta lose weight. I'm gonna start going to the gym.
You both gotta lose weight.
I know. Alright, broskies, let's get this shit. Hey, what's up, broskies? We're back. According to me and JP, everything should be back in place. What do you think, fool?
I don't want to jinx it.
You don't want to jinx it? I mean, fuck it, fool. We're gonna attempt to start it right now and see if we left everything right. But I think we need to bleed the clutch on. Bleed it.
Okay.
Yeah, we need to bleed it. I think the hardest part was like not fucking up the crank position sensor. So that shit was like the hardest. Luckily, I think it should be fine. It should. I put it back in place how it was, but go for it, fool. Todo más dale, wey. That shit sounds weird, fool.
Check if it's spilling oil.
Huh?
Check if it's spilling oil.
Oh shit.
From the oil cooler.
Fool, did you put oil on it?
I didn't even drain it.
Yeah, I know, but a lock.
And a lot didn't come out. It's only the oil filter that was in there.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What if you just crank it? That shit sounded like a fucking raw knock, fool.
What? There's enough.
Or you know what it might be? It might be the exhaust.
Exhaust leak. I told you.
Fuck.
At least it started. That means you did the thing right.
Yeah, but it sounded kind of weird, fool. Because of the oil or what?
Yeah, no, not the oil.
Should
we disconnected the battery and everything, so it's gonna actually like relearn and shit.
Should we? Oh, wait. Remember you disconnected the MAF? Hold on. The MAF was disconnected.
Huh?
The MAF was disconnected.
Hey, what about the thing?
What thing?
How do you turn off the AC in this?
You can't, cause I disconnected the whole thing.
Nice.
Go for it.
AC's on.
Go for it. Huh?
Sandwich.
Check the sandwich. Fuck is that? Fuck is that noise?
I don't know, you tell me. Tell me.
What the fuck was that noise?
It could be a throw bearing. You can bleed it.
Something's like banging full hard.
It felt like the drive shaft.
What is it spinning?
I don't know. The clutch is all the way down.
Step on the brake when you turn it on.
Could be no fluid.
Just turn it on. It was actually spinning, huh?
You're gonna get us in trouble again.
All right.
And not close the fucking door, dude.